Hi, my name is Nicole Herrera. I was born in Bogota on October 23rd in 2001. I was premature baby. I was born with 8 months when I was a baby. I live with my aunt, my sister, and my grandfather and my mom. They took care of me while my mother worked. My mother worked in a factory. My dad was never in my first few months, but my family always gave me a lot of love. When I was 12 months old, I left Bogota with my mother and my sister. I went to live in a town in Santander. I lived in Barbosa, Santander since I was 12 months old. I lived in my mother, my sister, and my father. I started studying when I was 4 years old at the school. I had a lot of friends. I had a best friend, but she went to live in Bucaramanga. When we were 8 years old, however, I had a great time playing in the park and my friends. But when I was in second grade, I was playing and I went wrong in the back of the swing and had a head accident. My teachers helped and took me to the hospital with my mom. When I was a baby, I already lived in Barbosa, Santander with my family. One day there were a lot of mice and my house, and my dad dropped me off the bed, and my head stuck to the glue that had been applied all over the house. My childhood was very, very, very pleasant, full of games, love, and fun. My family is very small. I live with my mom and my sister. And my sister had a son at age 20. So now it's the fourth of us. My mother is Janet Arisa. She is a dressmaker. She is 45 years old. My sister is Carla Herrera. My sister is a teacher. She is 23 years old. My mom and dad broke up when I was 10 years old, so we don't live with him, but his name is Carlos Herrera. He is a house husband. My family was always unique after my parents separated and my family. We only remained women, so it was more pleasant. Only that my mother was the one who took care of and took care of the house financially, my school, and my life. Uh, when I was 11 years old, I started studying at the school in 6th grade. Through 11th grade, we had many fun experiences. At the school, I did not have a favorite subject. I liked all of them very much because I was going to study, uh, but I was also going to have fun and have a good time. I never had any female friend, never. I always interacted a lot with men. I met people, I had many friends, and I had fun over the years. I met love in my school. I saw what it felt like to be in love with good people, and I had a great time. You need, I was 16 years old. Okay, so when I was in school in grade 11, I had three classmates, and we start to play, and they spilled saliva from their mouth on our face with another classmate, and we took a bottle of paint and we did it to them. Then the coordinator came, talk used to the coordination. He made us observers and almost threw us out of school for doing that kind of things. I almost always go in trouble for being with my classmates for having extreme fun. My school was very, very, very fun. My favorite things when I was a child was always to play or eat ice cream. Uh, when I grew up and was already a teenager, it was always going out, meeting people and having friends. When I was a little older as a young adult, I was always like going to Paris and working because my sister and I are now in shares of the